Good morning, everyone. Here we start chapter 2 of Geography Inside the Earth of class 7th. Around 460 crore years ago, the Earth was a mass of hot gases. It cooled slowly to form the solid crust or the lithosphere. Today, we see various landforms on the surface of the Earth, such as mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, etc. To understand the geography of these landforms, it is important to know about their formation and the structure of the interior of the Earth. The science which deals with the structure of the earth is called geology, and the scientists involved in this study are called geologists. However, as it is not possible to go deep inside the earth, the information and clues obtained from volcanic eruption, earthquake waves, and deep mines are the indirect means of collecting information about the earth interior. It is earth gets hotter as we go down. The temperature as at the center of the earth is estimated to around 5000 degree, thus making it impossible to undertake direct study about the interior of the earth. The average density of the earth is about 5.5 gram per centimeter. It is not made of uniform material. The materials of the inner layer are heavier than that of the outer layer. The density of rock goes on increasing towards the center of the earth. Structure of the earth. The earth is like an onion made up of several concentric layers with one inside the other. There are three main layers of the earth. The uppermost layer is called the crust. The mantle is just beneath the crust, while the innermost layer of the earth is called core. Crust is the solid uppermost layer of the earth. It is also known as the lithosphere. It is a relatively thin layer. The upper part of the crust is called continental crust, which is about 35 km thick. The lower part, which is about only 5 km thick, is called the oceanic crust. The continental crust is mostly made up of silica and alumina, therefore it is also called shale. The oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium, hence it is called sima. The average density of the crust is about 3.0 gram. The soil is well, as most of the mineral is found on the outer crust. Mantle. The layer just beneath the crust is called the mantle. The mantle is 22,950 km thick and lies between the crust and the core. The mantle is made up of the heavy and dense material like iron and magnesium. The average density of the mantle is between 3.5 gram per to 5.5 gram. The temperature in the mantle is very high. The magma erupted during a volcanic eruption is formed here. Core. It is the lowermost layer of the earth. It lies below the mantle and around the center of the earth. It is also called barosphere. Types of rocks. Rocks are mainly of three types: igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rock. Igneous rock. The rocks due to cooling down of magma are called igneous rock. They are also known as primary rock. They can be of two types: intrusive rock and extrusive rock. When the molten lava comes out of the earth on its surface, it cools down fast and becomes solid. Rock formed in this way are called extrusive rock. Such rocks have a very fine grained structure. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. On the other hand, sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. The rock is formed are called intrusive igneous rock. They are in the shape of the large grains. Sedimentary rock. The weathering of rock due to the effects of air, rain, water, ice, plants, animals, and moisture, etc., cause rock to break up small fragments. These smaller particles are known as sediments. Sedimentary rocks. Sandstone made of sand particles, salt and cools, etc., are example of sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rock. Due to excessive heat and pressure, sedimentary and igneous rock may change into metamorphic rock. These rocks are very hard and high specific gravity. They also do not have empty space in them. For example, slate is formed from the clay while limestone is changed into marble. Thank you.